Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Artsy Autismmom Chronicles. Today, since we are now past our most recent Amazon boycott, I am doing an unboxing of my McKenzie-Childs Enamel teapot that I got this weekend. So before we get into that, let's get into this intro, and of course, I'll be with you right after that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Artsy Autismmom Chronicles. Today I am doing an unboxing for you guys of my new McKenzie-Childs Enamel teapot. If you know, you know. So let's get it out. I've already opened up the box, so this won't take too long. Should have got some scissors, but that's okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay, there we go. Hopefully y'all can get a good view of this. Sorry, we don't have the greatest lighting right now because both of my ring lights, no bueno. Okay, all right, let me get this off of here. All right, there we go. And pull it out so you guys can see it. It's 3 quarts. And then it's got this piece of I'm just gonna do it all right here. Got this little piece of plastic. Okay. I'll get the rest of it off of here later. But anyway, as you can see this is a 3 quart teapot with the nice little bird top. Let me open it up. Opening it up for you guys. This is great. All right. So I will show you guys right after this insert. I will insert me using this, putting it on my stove top. I'll put a picture of it on the stove top, and of course you gotta see me drink some tea that I made with this. So I will see you guys later, and hope you like this video. Please like and share. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and blessing from the west side. I'm out, y'all. Peace. Here is my beautiful teapot on top of my stove. I have a gas range, and obviously depending on whether you have a gas range, electric, is going to depend on how you utilize this teapot. Now, for those of you who don't know, McKenzie-Childs is a higher end cookware line, and this teapot happens to be part of that cookware line. Later on in the video, I will show you some of the other items that are part of the McKenzie-Childs collection so that you can see why I like it so much. Here is a stock photo of the McKenzie-Childs enamel teapot that I got. Of course, in the description of this video, I will go ahead and give you guys the 411 on where I actually got this McKenzie-Childs teapot, and you'll see that it is not your everyday teapot, but of course you can use it every day. And here, of course, as I told you, is some of the other collection. In this photo, you'll see the same teapot that I have in a 2-quart with the same design. And then the 3-quart is checkered. And these are some of the other enamel cookware that is from the collection. Now for a nice hot piping cup of coffee with water that I boiled in my new McKenzie-Childs teapot. See you guys. Peace. As with most higher end kitchen cookware items, this came with a little booklet that told me about taking care of it. It also included in the care how to utilize this teapot depending on the type of stove that you are going to be utilizing it on. So that was a great tip because some people don't know that. Right here, I have given you the full description name of the actual teapot that I have. It is the White Flower Market Tea Kettle with Bird. Now, if you've gotten this far and you aren't subscribed to me already, please go ahead and subscribe to me. Also, I'd love it if you follow me on my other social media. You can find me on TikTok and on Instagram as DC The Purple Diva, and on my other YouTube channel, The Purple Diva Den, you'll find that I do spoken word. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, I'm out. Peace.